Harihi Om. Om Shri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. Am I clearly audible?
Harihi Om Swamiji, very much.
Harihi Om. The bhajan is over.
Swamiji.
Astu. Dhanyavadaha. Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Dhyanam. Om Sahanavavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om. So on the path of happiness, we try to see that happiness is for us. And when I mean myself, it is my life that determines whether I'm happy or not. So when I mean life, our living makes our life. And so what is living if we ask? We have seen that living is nothing but a series of experiences from the womb to the tomb that we have had so far. What we have, what we do with what we have is what defines us as a real human being. And instead of trying to grab or somehow get at what I want, can I convert my life to be something joyous, cheerful, peaceful, harmonious? Was the goal that we are seeking, and therefore this path of happiness. So we defined what happiness is through seeing what happiness is not, and then knowing that happiness is my life. Living this life is happiness, and happiness is not a goal somewhere to be achieved at the end of this world. Happiness is not a goal that is somewhere far higher up above the clouds, what we call the sky gods. This is not Sanatana Dharma nor the Upanishadic culture action. Path, we've defined the path yesterday, and we saw the path. It becomes a path to happiness if it is played like a game. Otherwise, the path leads to war, and the end goal we've seen is hatred, destruction, and a general sense of, depression, frustration, no achievement in life, right? So the game also can be played in a variety of ways we've seen, and the best possible way is if we can play actually like the example we had seen was if a person Dhyan Chand, to the story of Dhyan Chand, we had seen that had, he had played for the nation, and therefore name, fame, money, living, all these also came by, but not just for one particular small thing. So, in the achievement of the higher, the lower is always achieved was something we had seen through the life of Dhyan Chand and also all great people. If you'd see the great people who are remembered even now, hundreds of years even after they're gone, Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, we lead his life, read his life, the journey of the master. Then you'd understand this point. When you work for something higher, nobler in our life, then not only happiness, but all the remaining things also do come in our life. So, the intelligent person, we said intelligent choices is one of the key governing principles of our life. And therefore, maximum benefit, whatever we do, should give maximum benefit to the nation, to me also. During this, so we did start and we wondered how can we play this game properly, and we saw the rules of the game have to be adhered to. And rules, अरे बाबा ये रूल्स बात करता है कि कोई ऐसा आपके बता दिया तो आपको तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, है कि नहीं? आप बोलो, सच बोलो आप। खुद ना कोई, हम चाहते हैं कि बाकी जो भी है ना अन्य, ये सब रूल हाँ करे, पर जब अपने पास आए ना तो क्या रूल, हाँ, सो देखो दिस इंग्लिश वर्ड है ना, अंग्रेजी वाला जो रूल्स रूल्स बोलते हैं ना, तो रूल्स लोग बोलते हैं अरे यार रूल्स यार छोड़ो, बोलते हैं कि नहीं? So, there's not this kind of, do this, don't do that. These are really irritating for us, or we tend to look at them as, uncomfortable things we have to go through in order to achieve something. Therefore, first let's try to understand actually why is this kind of that dissatisfaction within us, that kind of irritation that is there within us. Why? I'm in the grocery store, and after you've done your 45 minutes and it's time to go home, 45 minutes you went all through the store, you loaded that, and you want to get out, you want to rush out, you have that cash in your hand also. It's not that आपके पास पैसा नहीं है, आपके पास बिल्कुल पैसा है पूरा, आपको क्या करना है, आपको जल्दी भागना है, बाहर जाना है, and yet what do you see in front of you? Huge line. Do you feel happy about it? Want to go out of it, है ना? So this is what when I mean, so we all know that, suppose you were there, someone was jumping, but if the chance comes, then probably we may jump the queue just so that I can, हम जल्दी में हैं इसलिए हमको भागना है, हमको भागना है. We know all these things that just happens, and this seems to happen as a regular feature in our life somehow. Huh? So what is this irritation, this discontentment? There's no satisfaction for us. अरे क्यों होता है ऐसा? Did you ever realize we said in the achievement of the highest, all other things are gotten. This means that the highest can indeed be achieved by each one of us. Did you notice this corollary yesterday? If you had thought over, it is indeed possible for each one of us to achieve the highest. I said it's possible. I'm not saying, this romantic, there's a very romantic or sentimental idea that has been spreading in the last 100 years. And they've been saying that, all children are the same. Everyone has talent. Everyone can do this. Is it so? Really? See, let's not be very sentimental or romantical about this thing. It is okay. Romanticize. You can romanticize about this. है, सब लोग बढ़िया दिखते हैं, सब लोग अपने तरीके से बढ़िया है बस, पर तुम्हारे लिए सब लोग बढ़िया कह थोड़े हो सकते हैं. Isn't it? So my question is, how do I, as far as I am concerned, at least, so we can address only the individual dissatisfaction, and at the individual level, I have to ask, why is my irritation this malcontentment? When we don't perform to our highest potential, when we don't perform to our own highest potential, then we will be patently dissatisfied, whatever may be the work that we do, whatever be the amount we have accumulated, whatever be the thing we have achieved for ourselves. हाँ, अरे आप देख लीजिए अपने खुद, एक कोई प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन जाए, कोई प्रेसिडेंट बन जाए, आपको लगता है क्या कि ओबामा इज एनीवेयर हैप्पियर देन ओसामा? राइमिंग ना ऐसा, पर एक्चुअली लुक जस्ट कंपेयर, ना ओसामा कुछ भी ना कर सका, ना उसको कुछ सेटिस्फैक्शन था, or at least you think diametrically opposite, no? Obama was the president of the United States of America for 8 years. That's the longest period legally allowed, unless you're zopping. Why? Because we have not achieved our highest or a fullest potential that would we can. Repeatedly, I'm being muted, so I think the host needs to take some care about that. Performing to the highest potential is what we're all looking at. To do the highest, to reach the highest, what do I have to do? That is the question that next comes up. Indeed, to do the higher work, I have to invoke the highest within me. To do higher, I have to invoke higher. आपको थोड़ा बड़ा ही काम करना है तो आपको बड़ा ही शक्ति चाहिए, है ना? How do I invoke this highest within me? That will be the next question naturally. ऐसा ही होता है. How do you invoke the highest within me? एक बार देख लीजिए, हाँ, सब बच्चों जो है, बच्चों है ना, ये इनको स्कूल भेज देते हैं ना, सब लोग स्कूल भेज, एक डीपीएस जाता है तो एक डीएवी जाता है, और कुछ भी नेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल जाएगा, कोई कोई पास में म्युनिसिपल स्कूल भी जाता है, तो स्कूल तो सब जाते हैं, पर वो भी इवन विद इन द सेम स्कूल, सेम क्लास, क्या करना है अपने बच्चों को? अरे उसको ट्यूशन भेजना है. अरे आप ट्यूशन क्यों भेज रहे हो? स्कूल में तो पढ़ा ही लिया. नहीं, if we have to invoke something higher in the child, so tuition is necessary to bring that out of him, is your belief, therefore you send it to him, right? तो वो ना एक देखो कि abacus, there's this thing called abacus. I hope you heard this, right? I'm told, people make a lot of money to this abacus, this program, math program they say, for the child. So if you learn abacus, you're supposed to do maths very fast. Maybe you have done it, or your friends have actually done this program. I know this has been running since many years now. तो क्या किया हमने? To we do maths, but to do special maths, to do vishesha, not samanya. Ordinary level that everyone learned at the school level, but I want Vedic maths. This is also a new thing that that's come out. What's Vedic maths? I don't know. Maths is maths. Vedic maths. Shortcuts. Abacus. Shortcuts. तो उससे आपको ना कुछ स्पेशल कुछ आ जाता है, so you can tap your talent and invoke something higher. A person who knows nothing about PC, just use it. अरे ऐसा बेकार में घर में पड़े हो, जाओ जाके कुछ सीखो. तो he goes, does a 6-month course, and suddenly my laptop has gone. तो वो खुद आके रिपेयर कर देता है. अरे इसको कंप्यूटर कुछ नहीं आता था अभी तक, अभी क्या कर रहा है? अभी लैपटॉप रिपेयर कर रहा है. Just think about yourself. Don't you feel? I wish I also will run this marathon, 25-kilometer marathon. Who doesn't want to be healthy and happy? Happy because you get some recognition also along the way, right? A certificate you can display and put on your WhatsApp status and feel happy about it. At the same time, if you keep practicing, You need some motivation, no? आपको बाहर और ऊपर खींचना है to get better health, better financial status, a better career, कुछ भी. So what are you trying to do actually? You're trying to invoke and go something higher. Here, how do I invoke the highest within me has always been a question. And until and unless, and this is another principle that I would like you to note. Those are two principles of life. Unless we invoke and perform, or when we invoke and perform to our highest potential, then we would be happy. Until then, there's some amount of happiness, but a lot of discontentment, dissatisfaction that keeps biting at us. और हमको भी पता भी नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है. खाना है, बिल्कुल माँ ने बना दिया, नहीं तो पत्नी ने बना दिया, बिल्कुल अच्छा सा बढ़िया सा वो है, खाते हो, पर कभी ना, यू डोंट रिस्पॉन्ड, यू डोंट अप्रिशिएट. रूटीन बन जाता है आपको, रूटीन बन जाता है, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट विद द हायर. सामान्य है आपको सब कुछ, विशेष आपको दिखता नहीं है प्राय उसमें. सो नाउ we understood, having understood that our happiness of life will come along the way. This is very clearly understood. But along the way, doing what? Along the way, when we are invoking our highest potential, when we are trying to perform to our highest potential. Our dear Swamiji, Swami Swarupanand Guru Parampara, the current Sadguru of Chinmaya Mission right now. He says wonderfully, exceeding excellence, he says. He says, exceeding excellence. Wonderful thing indeed, So first, how to bring out the excellence within us is one thing, correct? So we understand, can we excel? Can we become, can we come first and do all these things without following the rules of the game? Can we do what we want and, still it is okay? Not really, we've seen. एक ही है ना, आपको एक सीधा एग्जाम्पल दे देते हैं, ठीक है? Who doesn't like a good story, a good game, and a good sleep? सोना है, अब भी जाके सो लेंगे. स्वामी जी, थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग. आप कहीं में सो जाते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया है आपका स्पीच ना, हमको नींद आता है अच्छा सा. सो जाओ. तो कितने देर देर तक सो जाओगे, ये बात है. How long can you sleep? Let's say, a normal healthy adult usually sleeps 6 hours, once 5 hours, 6 hours, okay, 6.5 hours. Suppose sleep, तो क्या हुआ ना, सो जाओ आप और सो जाओ. थोड़ा 8 घंटे आपने सो लिया, तो क्या हो गया? Why did you sleep actually? You slept so that, our body, which is tired from the amount of work we have done, can recuperate itself. That is the primary job of sleep. So that the organs of the body, the limbs of the body, can again perform to their highest potential. तो वो सब अपने जो करना है वो करते हैं. आप सोचो, ये ना मनुष्य होता है, यही थोड़ा अलग ही होता है. But all the other things that Bhagavan has created, they know their job and they will do. So क्या करना है आपको? The limbs, the eyes, the organs, all this have to do. But suppose, you slept for 8 hours. When you get up, do you feel that same kind of thing what you do when you get up after 6.5 hours or 6 or whatever is a good time for you? Okay, let's say you slept for an additional 2 hours now. This is Sunday. मम्मा संडे है ना, आज भी उठना है क्या? Sunday means, a day when you can destroy yourself or what? क्योंकि जब उठोगे ना, आपको अभी क्यों उठता है? काम करने के लिए. लीव हायर वर्क टू डू समथिंग गुड, राइट, फॉर योरसेल्फ. आपको कैसा लगता है? डू योर लिम्स रियली वर्क? डू दे परफॉर्म टू द पोटेंशियल? डू योर आईज फील लाइक सीइंग? हाँ, देखते हैं, अभी उठे हैं ना, ओनली नाउ आई गॉट अप, आई डोंट नो. Instead of actually gaining strength and energy, having utsaha, enthusiasm, jada ban jata hai ye. Like stone he becomes. You have that, that feeling, right? When you have that excess sleep, and therefore that whole day goes for you. गया, वो दिन गया, कुछ नहीं कर सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि जो धर्म था, वो धर्म का पालन नहीं किया. क्या नहीं किया? धर्म का पालन नहीं किया. The game of life is played by these called dharma. So we don't call rules, we say dharma, because dharma is something natural, it's instinctive, it is there. वो आप डिनाई तो नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, you cannot deny. That is dharma, dharma is natural, जो बस होता रहता है. एंड धर्म तो करना ही है ना. आदमी को सोना है, you have to sleep, that is dharma of the body. You have to. Eating is our dharma, we have to eat. ऐसा नहीं कि भाई इट्स अ रूल नाउ, यू हैव टू ईट. जब आपको भूख लगता है तो आपको खाना है. नो वन नीड्स टू टेल यू. लेट मी बी एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर एक्चुअली. ये एक आदमी है ना, ये मशीन बन जाता है. और कि ये टाइम पे इतना ले लो. ओके, डॉक्टर ऑल्सो राइट्स, आप जब जाते हैं ना, 250 grams for breakfast and 500 grams for lunch, एंड आपको अर्लियर डिनर करना चाहिए 6 PM पे 150 grams. If you stop destroying your body and actually are listening to your own body, meaning what? Doing the dharma of the body, if you are actually honoring the dharma that is there, do you know you will be happy. Doctor will be sad because उसको ना पैसा नहीं आएगा, पर you will be happy because you have your health with you. हाँ, और क्यों आया? क्योंकि आपने धर्म का पालन किया. It is our duty to keep our body healthy. So what are the rules for those healthy body? That is what we are calling as dharma. So, in English I'm speaking, therefore I'm using that word rule, but I'm telling you, even I don't like that word. What is that word? Rule. Do not. हम मनुष्य है ना, हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता. हाँ, like one of the dharmas, हम लोग हैं, ज्ञान यज्ञ है. Dharma translates more into nature actually. So we are in jnana yajna right now, right? So we have to have a stable speech, or a peaceful, smoothful speech where it's enjoyable for all others. What do I have to do? One thing for me, I want a nice environment so I can listen without disturbances. Correct? तो आप अपना पे ये भी धर्म बन जाता है कि हम सब म्यूट में रहें, and not keep on torturing the host. Whoever is not on mute, then he has to mute all the time, and they'll mute me also in between. क्या करेंगे अभी? हाँ. गाड़ी चला लेने से ना, कोई पास में जाएगा तो उसके ऊपर भी पानी चल जाता है. बस तो क्या करेंगे, ऐसे हो जाता है कुछ. So we have to all understand what is our dharma wherever we are, whatever we are doing. Even now here, when you're listening, also you have a dharma when you're listening. If the dharma is obeyed, there are no problems because dharma is natural. हाँ, naturally nature है. तो धर्मा जो भी होता है, वो धर्म भी दो तरफ की होती है. हाँ, एक जो करना चाहिए और दूसरा जो करना नहीं चाहिए. One is to be followed and the other is something that is not to be followed. दोनों भी है. You have to do both. You have to not follow some and you have to follow some. There is something called the dharma of electricity. When you respect the dharma of electricity, it is a blessing to you. अभी मैंने actually fan पहले नहीं था, but when I'm speaking to you, it seems some kind of heat is generated. So अभी जब fan डाला, तो क्या हुआ? Electricity has connected and given nice blessing. ठंडा हवा चल रही है. मैं नॉट रैपर तो मैं गाता नहीं हूँ, बस ऐसा तो अच्छा लगता है. स्पर्श हवा, हाँ, कि स्पर्श जो आता है. बट सपोज आई डोंट रिस्पेक्ट द धर्म ऑफ electricity, we all know the result. I'm not going to stretch it. When disobeyed, it can be dangerous also. So when I respect the do's of dharma, when I respect the don'ts of dharma also, that way क्या बोलेंगे अभी, धर्म जो है ना, जो करना है, पालन करना है, तो उसकी पालन किया. और जिसको न करना है तो वो भी पालन किया मैंने, तो क्या होगा? Why should I do? This is a question that always is. एक ह्यूमन बीइंग होता है ना, ये हमेशा पूछता है, डज योर आई एवर आस्क व्हाई शुड आई सी फॉर यू? व्हाई नॉट? एंड दिस नो माउथ ना, बिग वन, व्हाई शुड आई स्पीक फॉर यू? इट नेवर सेज. आप हवा भर दो और बाहर निकालो तो आ जाएगा स्पीच. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल लव टू स्पीक, स्पेशली these Swamijis. When dharma is followed, peace and fearlessness follows. Please listen to this. Peace and fearlessness. When we don't follow the dharma, then it causes agitation, dissatisfaction, frustration. Now what all you want to say, you can say all those things. आप कुछ भी सब इसमें डाल दो. एक निर्भय होते हैं और दूसरा शांति आ जाता है जब आप धर्म की पालन करोगे. And every game has rules, correct? समझिए, इतने बार आप गेम बोले हैं, क्यों ना आप एक खेले एक बार. I told you, let's be a little huh. So can we you want to play a game? A game? Yes. But yesterday, from the feedback that I see, from you people, better I feel. I asked you to stand up and you people don't stand. अबे हमें तो अच्छा लगता है ना बैठ बैठ के. Body also needs something. हाँ. But now this game today we'll play a game. Good, enjoy, right? Ready? But you can sit also if you want. If you want, you can stand. Ready? Okay. Game is what I say, you just follow that. Like for example, I'll say tap your cheek. अबे अंग्रेज है तो अंग्रेज में बता रहे हैं. Tap your cheek. Tap your cheek. Tap your nose. Tap your ear. Are you doing? I don't know. Are you doing? Okay. Tap your head. Tap your head. अरे सीधा धर्म है वो भी नहीं करते तो हम क्या करेंगे? आपका धर्म नहीं कर रहे आप. आके to be happy is your dharma. I'm telling you, be joyful. Just do. Don't be so much of an adult. You lose connection with your own childhood within you. आपका चाइल्ड क्या बोलता है अंदर? आपका अंदर चाइल्ड है ना, बोलता है आनंद में रहो, खुश रहो. हाँ, जो करना है करो. ना तो करते रहो. Got that? Okay. हाँ. I have a few encouraging chicks with me. Good. Smile. Now, what you have to do, you did whatever I told you, you did. ठीक है? अभी whatever I tell you, you do reverse of that. You do reverse of that. So I'll say tap your right cheek. Start. You tap your left cheek. Tap your left nose. Tap your right ear. Tap your left head. अभी देखो मैंने स्लो में बता दे, ठीक है? थोड़ा तो आगे बढ़ेंगे क्या? हाँ, टच योर राइट आई. You have to do the reverse, remember. Reverse. Touch your left nose. Tap your right cheek. Tap your right head. Okay, I know you enjoyed. Now enough. Now sit down. Now I'll tell you. अभी आपका स्कोर बता देते हैं. So you see what I'm doing? I'm interchanging the headset. Okay, I'm showing this to you deliberately. I have a reason to show it. Before starting the yajna, the lecture, I deliberately interchanged the earbuds. One was supposed to be left and the other was supposed to be on the right side. So I said reverse, right? I did the same thing before I told. Whatever I tell you, I practice before. And did you see me, occasionally keeping on fidgeting with this? Because the reason was when I do this, the buds are falling out. The buds are falling out. तो हर एक आप देखो जो भी जीवन में है कि उसका एक धर्म होता है और धर्म की अनुपालन करने से फिर आपको शांति, आनंद और निर्भय मिलता है. नहीं तो हमेशा एक डर रहता है, हमेशा कुछ वो आ जाता है, dissatisfied, we don't know what, with age it keeps increasing and that causes a lot of dissatisfaction, not necessarily to do with the people and objects outside us. They will always change. हाँ, वो तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं, पर फिर भी अपने में जो है ना वो रहता है ये. That's what you have to understand. So what was this? See, when I told you to do something, it was easier. When I asked you to do reverse, opposite of that, you took some time. And the more time, if I made it much more faster, because this is not a workshop seminar kind, so I can't proceed more than that. Jnana Yajna, as it is, this is unconventional actually. You found it difficult. To go against dharma is difficult, but yet people go against it, and therefore the consequences of that is a lot of agitation, fear, discontentment. तो अपना धर्म जो होता है वो धर्म के वो विरुद्ध अब हम खुद जाए, when we ourselves go against our own dharma, then that will result in ashanti. Leave happiness that's somewhere far off. You done something opposite. So if we are very clear that dharma is most natural and we have to follow dharma, we go on to the next thing. That says, So remember game. हम तो game पे आ जाते हैं वापस. All games have some general rules. Games have a general rule. क्या है? Having a sportsmanship spirit, एक. And then there's specific rules that tend to be regarding each game. हर एक खेल का एक अलग ही होता है. सब खेल क्रीड़ा का एक होता है, पर उसमें भी हर एक क्रीड़ा का एक विशेष धर्म भी होता है. तो what we say is general rules that are there for every sport, and then there's some special rules. तो इसको बोलेंगे सामान्य धर्म and there is विशेष धर्म. जैसे कि the general rule is whoever is the referee, the umpire, so whatever be the krida, We all have to accept the judgment, the decision of the empire. बिल्कुल, है ना? But there are special rules for cricket, and there are different rules for football, different rules for volleyball, different rules for tennis. ये तो सब क्रीड़ा आपको एक ही दिख सकते हैं, पर उसमें भी तो अलग अलग हो ही जाता है ना? So a person must play his role according to his dharma. जैसे कि ना एक गोलकीपर है फुटबॉल में, हाँ, तो the goalkeeper touch the football, but you if you're midfielder, कोई भी अलग होता है ना, तो he cannot touch it. If you touch your the hand with your hand, it's a foul, whereas the goalkeeper has to touch with the hand and stop it. So it depends on the role and position. That also has a dharma on what your role is, your position is in life. That also. तो जीवन में एक होता है, अपना जीवन में in our life also एक सामान्य नियम होता है. General duties are there that we all of us, irrespective of our age, irrespective of our position, irrespective of nationality also, we have general dharma. So don't think dharma means only Hindu should follow dharma and others should not follow dharma. अधर्म कोई भी करे वो ऐसा ही होगा वो. So there is something that one is that all people must perform their duty. So क्या सामान्य धर्म होता है जो irrespective of age, position, nationality, everyone should do? Just think about it. మన బాధ్యతలు ఏవైతున్నాయో ఎవరి బాధ్యతలు వారు చేయాలి. Everyone must perform their duty. Everyone, whatever the duty is a different thing, but to perform the duty is a samanya niyama or dharma that we have to do, isn't it? Just imagine the electricity department, all of them have gone to on strike. Sab log hai. Just imagine. We can't imagine, because then fridge is not working. What to eat? Sab kharab ho gaya. Mera phone dead ho gaya. I can't see WhatsApp, no Zoom. Our life will go complete haywire, no? If people do not perform their duty, everything will be disrupted in life. स्वामी जी यही क्या है और कुछ है क्या? सामान्य नियम है, धर्म है क्या ना? क्या अपना धर्म है? ऑनेस्टी, निजायती. That's a dharma for everyone, not any single individual. Everyone has to be truthful actually. So what about विशेष नियम स्वामी जी? विशेष धर्म जो होता है, विशेष धर्म, so like let's say you're in the ashrama. When you come to the ashrama, you have a vishesha dharma as far as the ashrama is concerned, to maintain the peace, to take in the peace, how you behave here, sit here, how you dress, how you be, those are related to the ashrama. Then एक धर्म होता है जब आप घर में होते हैं, है ना? गुरु अपना घर का एक धर्म होता है, वो धर्म का धर्म भी पालन करना होता है. आप अगर पाठशाला जा रहे हो तो पाठशाला का एक धर्म होता है, वो करना होता है. इवन समथिंग एज सिंपल यू ट्रैवलिंग इन अ ट्रेन. आप सोचो आप बाहर पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे आप जा रहे हो, तो उसका भी एक नियम बन जाता है आपको, उसका भी एक धर्म है. So you see in the train you get up, then automatically they'll say no cigarettes, smoking ban, no drinking, no public smoking, in the toilet also, no taking drugs, no carrying inflammatory substances, I think, right? Something. All this is told, it's written there. तो ट्रेन में करते हैं तो आपको किसी को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. But see, at your home you may smoke, maybe. Please don't smoke, huh? But someone may not ask you, it may not be legally prohibited, है ना? But in the train it is. So train का एक विशेष होता है. The way you dress in the school is different from the way you are dressed in your bedroom. एक हर एक का होता है. So सामान्य धर्म और विशेष धर्म. and one thing I hope we all follow. क्या करते हैं? You take a bath, right? I hope so. अरे अभी कोविड पे टाइम पे कौन देख रहा है? होप यू डोंट फील लाइक दैट, राइट? हाँ, इवन यू मस्ट बी टायर्ड ऑफ योर ओन थिंग, नहीं कर रहा है। अरे बाबा सच में होता है लोग। हाँ, सामान्य नियम है कि आपको नहाना है, स्नान करना है। सामान्य नियम है ये। फॉर एवरीवन इज अ जनरल धर्म टू टेक अ बाथ। बट once upon a time the Europeans did not used to do that. The white people, they used to look at the Indians, the Sanatan Dharma, say, "Arey, from bath." In fact, they said, they learned bath that way. Uh, Anyway, every day, no, every day, twice we do actually. Hmm. But suppose you get pneumonia, then dharma hota hai ki don't take bath. Don't take a bath if you get pneumonia. मुझे कभी आया नहीं तो मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया ऐसा, ठीक है? तो मैं और ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकता। बट दिस इज ए स्पेशल धर्म, विशेष धर्म होता है। हाँ, सो वी ऑल ऑफ अस वी मस्ट फॉलो धर्म, वी मस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट, करेक्ट? एंड whenever we say this thing, dharma ki palan karo, now at least this much you understood that dharma is not religion and all these things, huh? Because we said dharma is common, that should be done by all. कोई अपना धर्म की पालन करो, भाई म्यूट में जाओ। Our question is, what is the purpose of dharma, Swamiji? Why should I follow dharma? This great Vedic prayer, huh? Let us, I'll chant this. Listen. Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ओम शांति शांति शांति. Very first thing that we hear is this, and it ends with shanti shanti shanti, the very thing that we desire. Purpose of dharma. See, the Veda Purusha has 4 limbs, 4 arms, चतुर्भुज होते हैं ना, तो उनमें एक, for the Veda Purusha is the Atharvana Veda, Atharvana, and of that this is a beautiful Shanti part. And what does it say? We it is a wonderful invocation. I said, how do we invoke the higher within us? So we are trying to invoke. And what are we trying to invoke? We are saying, hey Bhagwan, oh God, Devata, may we hear by our ears what is auspicious, Shubham, Bhadram, Karnebhi Bhadram, Shrunuyama. How long? How long? Next question. All the time. This, you have to answer this all the time. Whenever I ask, you answer this, okay? Bhadram Pashye Maksha Bhirya Jatra. Aksha. Aksha is eyes. Pashye Ma. May we see what? Bhadram. May we see auspicious. That which is auspicious. Very, very auspicious with our eyes. How long? Answer. Always. May we live a happy, healthy, hale, enthusiastic, joyful life that is allotted to us. How long? As long as you live. Always, as long as you live. ठीक है? So, and who can do that? When we invoke the highest within us, that highest shall bless us with this kind of power within us to be able to do that. So, with our ears, may we hear what's good. With our eyes, may we do. With our mouth, may we speak that is good. How long do you want to speak? Always, है ना? ओ, अच्छा सा बात करना है. हाँ, फिर बाद में गाली दोगे? नहीं, all the time. So, one beautiful thing that so what does this do? So actually, please understand, how do we stand inspired to invoke that highest within us? These are one of that. If you see in our Upanishad, the culture that comes from the Vedic days, living in the cool, serene valleys of the Himalayas, the rishis and the shishyas, then this is what they had to pray, to invoke the higher within their daily lives and do that. So see, this suppose we look at the prayer nowadays that we do ना, हम लोग जो करते हैं प्रार्थना बोल के एक मंदिर जाके या मस्जिद जाके या कुछ जाके क्या करते हैं, Gurudev says, and this is Gurudev words, he says, you know prayer should not become a declaration hinting at the vicious criminal instincts in ourselves. We have started employing gods through our prayers as our advocates, commission agents, doctors, and even abettors in our murderous intentions. Yet, this cannot be the fault of the technique. A dagger can be used in murdering the mother or protecting the family. If one vicious man murders his mother in a moment of antagonism, because of that, we cannot declare that the weapon is a cruel weapon. Similarly, this great Vedic technique of prarthana, this is a Vedic prarthana, right? Not the standard prarthanas that we do. Huh? It is a great way of invoking the higher within us. Yet, when we employ it for low purposes, we ourselves vitiate the very institution of prarthana. See, the great masters of those Upanishads, they knew no desire for this sense world. Sense world, whatever we see, all those things. They inquired into the sense world. It's not that they did not see what this world is about. They inquired into it. They discovered that it is a hollow thing. इसमें कुछ सार नहीं है, निस्सार है. हाँ, और जो उसके ऊपर पड़ेगा ना तो उसको संसारी बोलेंगे. निस्सार में सार जो देखता है वही संसारी है. And they've seen that this sense world is riddled. Bullets, it's riddled with sorrows. So they only prayed. You know what? This prayer that we just now we did, that invoking that higher, it is nothing but they prayed for the cultural evolution of the entire kingdom of beings. I didn't say humans, for the entire kingdom of beings. This is our national character. This is our Vedic Upanishad culture. This is how both the master, the Shishyas, both of them prayed that during our life, so we should be empowered. We should empower ourselves with Shakti, with strength, so much that may I see nothing but only Bhadram. May I be empowered within. May I be empowered within that may I hear nothing but auspiciousness. May I speak nothing but auspiciousness. The reason why, see, our sense organs that are there, they are the great grand trunk roads. Again, Gurudev, Puj Gurudev, wonderful he was, his expressions. He says they are the great grand trunk roads through which the Satan enters the realm of the godly within man. So the highest is there within you. We started with that. But what happens when we open this up to everything else in this sense world? Then those are the ways through which the Satan can also reach and agitate what is there within. So your potential that is there, the highest, is disturbed and destroyed by these outside things. It is not that the sense objects outside, mind you, the world outside does not by itself directly find its way into you. No, 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 no. And create some mental suicide. ऐसा अंदर कुछ नहीं बनता है. आप pathways को create करोगे. You yourself give those pathways the keys, you know. Like, you know, Jhansi Ki Rani. She employed that guy, some Kham or some Abdul. What did you do? He gave those keys to the Britishers so they could enter the fort and capture it. Like that, हम भी क्या करते हैं? अपने से ही द्रोह कर लेते हैं. We destroy ourselves only through opening up pathways or channels for that which can cause harm also to us, which is adharma. So that is the state of affairs of nowadays, our society that we're there. So, you know, coming back to this, you know, in short, you know, because today I'll finish with this, what I would say. So with our ears, we want to hear good. Correct. All of us want to hear good. Of course, we want to hear something very good about us all the time. से स्वामी जी भी होते ना, कम जी एक तो बार ना हमको अप्रिशिएट करो ना, इतना काम किया आपके लिए, आप अप्रिशिएट भी नहीं करते हो. यू नो, इफ यू अप्रिशिएट यू कैन गेट मोर वर्क फ्रॉम अस. आपको टेक्निक ही नहीं जानते हो आपको. अरे भैया, आपको टू हियर गुड, all people must speak good also, no, at the same time. Correct? If you want to hear good, whoever is speaking, all of them must speak good only. They don't speak good, what will happen to you? But above all, you know, even if I take this out, so I've taken these buds out, done. पर मुझसे मुझे क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि बात तो करना है ना? और जो सुनना है, तो क्या आप हमको ये ईयरबड्स चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए. You need it. The first, those waves have whatever I'm speaking. I am the first person to listen, not you. Correct? So if you want to hear good, so what should you do? What is the dharma now? What did the dharma become? The dharma is, if I have to follow the dharma of listening good, then I have to speak good. And you know, the prayer is, all of us speak this, say this prarthana, right? Great prarthana. When we do that, what do we say? May we hear good, and that good will come true when all of us come to do that. We want our eyes to see all that is beautiful things, auspicious things, noble things. To see beauty, you must keep everything clear. Clarity रहना चाहिए. Clarity of vision होना चाहिए. When we want to see, when we want to hear, ये सब, हाँ, that which is auspiciousness. एक तो है कि आप कुछ नहीं करके ऐसे बैठे हैं, as I said everything, right? Of course, you have an option not to do. What if I don't choose? तो कुछ कुछ तो होगा. Not doing also is doing only. और कुछ तो होगा, you know. No, something. My front courtyard seems to be little better now. हाँ, पूरा तो नहीं है ऐसा. So what do we have to do? We must work, na. स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वा गुंसस्तनूभिः म्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः. So for all this to happen, we have to do something for Bhadram, 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 seeing Bhadram, hearing Bhadram, speaking Bhadram. हमको कुछ करना है, तो क्या करना है? स्थिरैः अंगैः, through, no, Bhagavan may have good and strong, healthy body. I'm asking. You know why? So that paropakara idam shariram. May this body of mine be useful in service. I tell you, there is no other reason for this body to exist. Actually, if you see, you know, you're a mental creature. Nowadays, they talk so much about artificial intelligence, this, that. बच्चे भी ना उनको एक दे दो, PUBG दे दो. Poor Modi ji, na, he just banned it. So even children also say, well, I've seen, some videos where children got mad because PUBG was banned. हाँ, क्योंकि ना उस वो हमेशा इतना खेलता था, अब उसका मन ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, ये क्यों नहीं काम रहा है, ये क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, he is getting so agitated and he is going to kill his mother and father or what, is like becoming like that, and his child है बच्चा 10 years old maybe, क्या 12 years old, ऐसा बना लिया अपना आंखों का, ये का, दिमाग का सब. तो you know what we are living in, we are more living in a mental world of ourselves. बट तो शरीर का फिर जरूरत होता है क्या? That's why you see all wires only now. See entire from YouTube to all the digital media, this है मीडिया बोलते हैं. मीडिया के क्या करता है? मीडिया आपको मेंटली एनस्लेव कर देता है ना. So you just live in a mentally encapsulated world हो जाता है आपको. So you don't even need the body, no? True, you can actually exist almost like within a body, but without body क्या आप रह सकते हो? सोचो थोड़ा. I don't play PUBG, so I'm not excited, I'm not agitated. पर ऐसा हो जाते हैं. तो ये शरीर जो होता है, इसकी भी एक धर्म होता है, और इसकी क्या धर्म होता है? इसकी धर्म की अनुपालन करना है. So the body has to be healthy, and all of us have no doubt about it. But what is the body for? To serve people. Why should I have healthy body? To serve people, both at home and outside of home. And that is our problem when you limit even that also. I said we have to perform to our highest potential. We have to perform to our highest potential, and then you're really happy. When you're not doing that, you yourselves are unhappy. किसी को कुछ बनाना नहीं है आपको, आप खुद बनाना बन जाओगे. So all our life, so what do? We ask, hey Bhagwan, please give us a life, bless us, that may we be so healthy and good that we are able to sing your glories. May I listen to your glories. May I see your yoga and Aishwarya spirit everywhere in this world. Hey Bhagavan. That's what we are asking Bhagavan here. And also, you see the prayer also started with Om Bhadram Karne Om Om. What is this? Om. I didn't say Rama, Krishna, Shiva, Jesus, this whatever, all these things. No. Why? See, actually, जो सब नाम होता है, जो सब फॉर्म होता है, तो उसकी एक नाम विशेष होता है. सामान्य रूप से जो रहता है, तो उसको ना कुछ नाम है, ना कुछ फॉर्म है. जब विशेष रूप से उसको देखना है, हाँ, तो आप उनको एक नाम रामा, कृष्णा, शिवा, हाँ, दुर्गा ऐसा बोल के आप हम बुला सकते हैं ना. बट हियर वी आर all this we are saying Om because the Upanishad culture, right? In the Vedas, they actually have a direct connection to the highest that is there within them. अभी बीच में whatever happened with all of us, so we need a little bit more to connect with भगवान. So विशेष रूप से हमको connect करना पड़ता है. So करके भी क्या करेंगे? Like the three monkeys that is there, no? See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. That's what they say, right? Mar again trap. That is the Abrahamic way or Western way of seeing things. अपना नहीं है, अपना धर्म है. Dharma, what does dharma say? It says see good. It doesn't say see no evil. It says see good. It doesn't say hear no evil. It says hear good. It doesn't say speak no evil. It says speak that which is bhadram, that which is shubham, shubhakaram, shantam, shivakaram. So far we've seen that our life that is there, life has special governing principles. They are fundamental principles for everyone. No nationality, no gender. I'm telling you, the best equality you want is all here. Every one of us have to follow those. And from that, we have moved on to see that happiness is all about my own life. दूसरों की है नहीं और कुछ करने का. And the part to that is by only trying to treat our life as a game and then playing the game. और इस खेल को जब खेलना है तो उसका भी एक नियम बनता है, हाँ, एक धर्म रहता है, और सामान्य धर्म भी रहता है और विशेष धर्म भी रहता है, और दोनों को भी करना पड़ता है। और जिसको नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करने से हम फिर आनंद में रहेंगे। दूसरा, we wanted to know what is the purpose of dharma also. The purpose of dharma in life is ananda. So this prayer that is there, vyashema deva hitam yadayuhu, at the end it says, you know, as how much ever, oh Bhagavan, you have given life to us, whatever it is. Here he doesn't say, please give me 1,000 years, I should live forever. He's not Ravana. He's not Hiranyakashipu. उनको चाहिए है ना, हमको ऐसा नहीं है कि 100 years also. It's not that we should not live. Remember that 104-year young man from Varanasi whom Prime Minister Modi had, तो क्यों नहीं जीना है? So what we say, I am not asking X amount of years. हम बाटर नहीं करेंगे, आपको एजेंट नहीं बना देंगे भगवान. Whatever is my thing, you give me. आपको जो जितना is the lifetime span that is allotted to us, that lifespan may I live healthily, joyfully. We have asked for all these things: seeing good, hearing good, speaking good. And you hear all great people, what do you say? Be good and do good. No, बोलते हैं. I'm telling you, so the purpose of dharma in life, as you see, is that, there must be ananda or happiness. By doing what we should do and by avoiding what should not be done, we avoid that which is ashanti, that which is fear, and may there be happiness all around and auspiciousness all around. It will be when all of us answer this prayer that is there within us towards the higher. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. As you've seen, this Jnana Yajna was intended and was actually asked by the Chinmaya Mission Committee. They wanted to do and benefit a lot of people by trying to, and then we do have already yajnas, but they go on and it's not possible for everyone to connect in between, because lot of shastra and paribhasha ये सब होता है इसमें, है ना? तो how to actually connect is a question when it comes. Let us start from the beginning, a gentle gradual introduction to the higher. And for that purpose, this yajna had been organized. It had been successful, I hope, if it has reached you thus far. And so we are going very step by step. We're not going very slow, but we're going step by step, surely with clarity and firmness. ये जो होना है, you hold on to what has been told, and then when we move ahead, that will be really great, wonderful. So I'd like to thank the organizing committee of Chinmaya Mission, the executive committee, who have worked for it, especially those who have actually worked for it, and also whoever has made this possible. And of course, my prayers to Puja Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananji, to the entire Guru Parampara, that this knowledge is but only the knowledge of the Guru Parampara. None of this is my knowledge, but I'm an instrument to convey the highest through this to you. May want to speak now, and I just want to tell you, this is only session 1. Okay, we've not completed this talk as yet. This has to be gone on. So since it's only 3 days and an hour, a little bit, so we covered what we could. So we would definitely want to take that next forward, and the details will be told by the committee right now. But for us to reach you, we need to know, because we know we have come, but we don't have your details. You have come here. So एक फॉर्म का लिंक दिया हुआ है जो आप भर के आपका इंफॉर्मेशन दे देने से हम वो we can actually convey the details of the event again back to you when it is going to be conducted next time and further events. So please fill the Google form for getting details about all future events what are going to definitely take place. So the committee wants to organize more and more of such events for all of you. Yes. Jayanti Amma, can you take over and call or speak now?
Arihi Om Swamiji, Pranamaha, Dhanyavadaha Swamiji. I request all of you to fill the form and give us the details so that it will be easy for us to contact you.
Events.
The events. And this Path to Happiness is a lecture series. So this will be continuing every month. Now I invite Shri N.V. Swami Mahodaya, Vice President Chinmaya Mission, Uppanagaram, to propose the vote of thanks.
Hari Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. My Sastanga Namaskaram to Swamiji for obliging our request. He has already narrated the intention behind this particular series of lectures. Now, I feel you all might have understood that Swamiji is giving Amrutadhara. It is only the number of people, whoever can reach it, they can feel the taste of it. Originally, we have requested, as he has already described, we are fortunate to be in association with Chinmaya Mission for the past more than a decade or so and attending Jnana Yajnas and getting the happiness of it. Then as a responsible committee member, we requested Swamiji that maybe there are many people who want to come into this path. So for beginners, please arrange a series of lectures. So accordingly, Swamiji has immediately agreed, and that's what it is started. Now we are attending that and getting the benefit of it. I further requested Swamiji, because in Uppanagaram, in the Vizag steel plant, many of the senior officers, the timing is a little bit becoming not in line with our schedule. So I requested Swamiji to keep it from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So the series of this Jnana Yajna, Path to Happiness, will continue in the same date in next month, that is 28, 29, 30th October from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And also, I have requested Swamiji, this is in the 4th week of the every month it will be continuing. And I also requested Swamiji for the benefit of the people who can understand Telugu better. There are many people in the similar line, those who want to come into the path, but like beginners. So the date and other things will be decided. But prior to that, I request all the Chinmaya family members and volunteers, committee members, we have gained a lot, and I'm sure we are in the path of the happiness, and let us give this path to happiness to our friends, brothers, sisters. So we have to work a lot, because Swamiji will be keep giving. It is our duty to reach to the people and ensure that this opportunity is utilized. It is much valuable compared to any of the bhautika things. So once again, I'm repeating, this series will continue every month, last month. For the next month, it is 28, 29, 30th of October, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And with all the members and volunteers, we will have a separate meeting to discuss and finalize. I have already requested, and Swamiji he has to give his final word. So we'll go for that also. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hey Gurudev, Hari Om, Dhanyavadaha. Swamigar, you may, if our goal is to give maximum happiness to maximum amount of people, and this will continue in English, and we have one more in Telugu. But as you said, we all work together as in the Vedic Prarthana that we saw. We all work together. So when everyone come together to do this, it will happen. Jai Gurudev.